Okay, I'm trying a different phone camera. I happen to have two old phones. Okay, so last time, focus. Oh dear, do I have to tell it every time? Last time I was showing you these little postcards on a wire. What I missed here, yes, it says it's 150 millimeter wire, but you're cutting it down to 90. And then you're curling it and curling it with that much in between. So then it does actually turn out to be a decent size. Where's that? So it's going to go on the front of this eventually, and it's just right. So that's cute. Yay. And the thing I did after that was I made 27 books. So it was all these little squares on this sheet, but there was one left over. There were actually 28, so I don't know if that's going to get used later, but I left it on there. And then you cut out 27 papers, which was on this sheet with these little, if this looks familiar, if you're following along on your own, it was like right around here. So what I did when I was doing it, I'm just going to show you some of them, is I took the paper and bent it around it briefly enough to like kind of crease it on there before actually gluing it. And I put glue on the spine edge too, not the outer edges, but the side the spine would be on. And look at that, isn't that cute? And the way the wood is done, it almost looks like it could be a book. Pages. Beep, beep, beep. So tiny. Mondrian art book. So there are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, some glue, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, hard to pick up, 26, 27 books. Teeny little books. Oh my god, they're so cute. They're so cute. So those are done. And I'm going to put them in a little pile somewhere. So the next step is book 2, where you're actually making your like bookbinding here with a little clip to have a complete book. And I did notice on the same sheet as the other books, that looks like that's the cover, and these are all the pages there. Make sure I get that in frame. It's a music book, apparently. And then there's a radio. Oh, it's just a hollow paper. Interesting. And those are, let's see if I can find those pages. Nope, and nope. And that's a briefcase. Okay, so here we go. There's that piece. There's the front. Oh, here's the other parts. And then there's some wire involved. I guess the wire makes the knobs. You're just cutting like 2 millimeters, like the teeniest piece. So that'll be cute. Yeah, so I'm just gonna move along and I'll show you when I'm done with it. So thanks for watching. Also, you may notice I fixed my chair so it won't squeak anymore. I oiled it up. So sorry about that. That was getting annoying. And that's all. Thanks for watching.